how we host a successful open house. As your real estate agent, it's my job to get as many people to see your home as possible. And an open house is an informal way for several buyers, their agents, and your neighbors to walk through your home. I start with advertising the open house on all real estate home websites, like Zillow and Realtor.com. I run advertisements on Facebook and Instagram. I also personally call and email my large network of real estate agents and buyers. One marketing technique that I've had great success with is inviting your neighbors. They're already looking at it online, so let's get them through the door. They might have a friend that is looking to buy in your neighborhood. I am going to prepare a report to hand out on your home with square footage, number of bedrooms, bathrooms, and list of upgrades and neighborhood amenities. Prior to the open house, clean like your in-laws are coming for the weekend. Make every surface shine. Put away personal items and declutter. We also want to make your home smell great. Avoid cooking meals with a strong odor the night before and the day of the open house. Buy odor neutralizing spray and use it often. Then I want you to enjoy an afternoon out on the town. Head to the beach, do some shopping, or your favorite family activity. I will call you after the open house to give you feedback from the buyers that came through. Got questions about buying or selling a home on the Charleston coast? Call or text me, Jennifer O'Brien, at 610-283-0867. For a free copy of my exclusive Charleston Locals Guide with my hand-picked recommendations of the very best restaurants, tours, and fun activities throughout the Charleston area, visit my website at jenniferobrienhomes.com. This is Jennifer O'Brien. Until next time on Living the Charleston Coast Lifestyle.